Yo, what's up, Seven Cities, man? I'm excited today. We're getting ready to interview Gameface. He's a new rapper that is about to do big things in the Hampton Roads and Virginia area. I'm sure you already know about Pharrell and Missy Elliott and Timbaland and everybody else not. Well, now we got a new kid that's on the block. His name is Gameface. Gameface today, one of the premier rappers. What's going on, Gameface?
What's going on with you, man? I just appreciate you taking out your time.
No problem,
World
brother.
famous Khalil Malik.
No, well, brother, I'm just trying to get mine, just like everybody else, you know. But I understand there's some big things going on with Gameface.
Oh man, look, it's a humble experience. It truly is. It's a humble experience.
Okay, tell me about the new single. What's the name of it?
The new single's called "Come and Hold Me Tonight," featuring my man Jay Smooth. The record is phenomenal. For girls, they'll love it. Fellas, I hope y'all love it. You know.
And the concept of the song, what is the concept?
The concept of the song is talking about, you know, me taking a girl who's dealing with men problems home so I can treat her like the queen that she is. So I can show her royalty. That's what the concept is about.
Right. Good. And understand there's a new mixtape.
Yes, the new mixtape, the debut mixtape from Gameface Music. I'm Searching for a Heavenly Voice, hosted by DJ Flash from Justice League. Big up to him. You know, not really a lot of features on it. You know, of course I got my team, Troy Franchise, you know what I'm saying, or whatnot on the mixtape. But, you know, not really a lot of features. I produced the whole mixtape. The production is by me because I want to show people that I'm a producer and a lyricist.
Okay. Now, Searching for a Heavenly Voice sounds kind of has a gospel edge. Is it a gospel now?
No, but it's not no cursing either.
Good.
You know, I really wanted to promote commercial hip hop. I wanted to, you know, just bring back the essence of real music. And I love talking about women. Hi, women. You know, I love talking about women. You know, I want to be the new Teddy Pendergrass of hip hop.
Okay. Well, I heard, you know, of course, we hear all the buzz on the street and everything like that, but all the rappers all over the place, all around the country. And, of course, with our sister site, Atlanta Peach, we see all the rappers in Atlanta and all the entertainers all over the world. But I also heard that they call you the hip-hop teddy bear. Is there any truth to that?
Yes, that is true. That is true. Because I'm not trying to be a thug, or I ain't trying to be everybody else. Stuff is hip-hop has already been done. I'm trying to create my own lane. So yeah, I am the hip-hop teddy bear. And women, if you get tired of your man, or the man getting on your nerves, call me. Okay.
Well, you know, honestly, I think the thug thing kind of played out.
Yeah. So that's old, like spinning rims.
You know, I think the whole thug thing is old. It's outdated. It doesn't make any more sense. And today in the music world, we have to produce what makes sense.
Right. And what makes, you know, to me, what makes sense is I have a lot of women in my family more than I have men in my family, and they want to feel special. They want to feel wanted. So I'd rather talk about a woman rather than talking about a gun or drugs. You feel me?
Yes, sir. I think that's great. I think that's great. So, where are you from, man?
Man, I was born in Atlanta, Decatur all day, Crawford Long. I was raised in Brooklyn, Brownsville. I see you. You know what I'm saying? So
Brownsville, stand up.
You already know what it is. So I got the Southern hospitality and the New York hustle. You know what I mean? It's combined.
Okay. Give me a quick synopsis of Gameface life experience. What did you go through? I know everybody's got a story. Tell us a little bit.
You know, when I was born, I couldn't speak. I had autism until I was 12 years old. I had a speech therapist, and I was in special education classes, and you know, they told me that I couldn't read past 6th grade level. I would never make it to college, and I would be taking pills the rest of my life because of my impairment.
And now you're rapping.
Now I'm rapping, and I go to Ashland University for a BA in journalism and mass communications.
My man, y'all heard that. You all heard that? This is a rapper. Don't want to be a thug. He wants to be educated. Okay? Gary get his bachelor's degree in journalism. Y'all take note. Well, brother, I always ask a rapper to give me 16 bars. So, let's see what you can do.
Okay, you want me to give you 16 bars. Alright,
So we start off with the
No, you cool. So you want something written or off the head? Or?
Off the head, man. Give it to me off the head. Let's go.
Okay, listen. They stamped me as the 7 City mover, no loser, soul groover. You can understand the reason that they choose you, and I'm about to recruit you just like I'm an army barrack. Understand the words, and my dreams never vary. You can understand that this is considered a marriage, new ring. Understand that God created me a new king, and I'm the reason why I'm about to sing Mahalia. Understand the reason from the stories that they tell you. New lineman. Understand once before that the pen is perfect timing because I'm signing, and I don't care what you say about me. Yes, I'm country, but you can still gonna love me. Yes, I'm kind of hungry when it comes to a 16. You can understand that I'm living my society's dream. American certification. Told you once before that I lay asleep was searching for God's revelation. My communication is broken in any major foundation. You can understand the determination. They said I was autistic. Used to be on a small bus. Told you once before that people talk too much. Ain't it enough? I'm from the ghetto where your walls used to be airbrushed. Please.
Game face, everybody.
Lunchtime.
Let's go.
You already know it.